I don't know why them do these things. I was going to say to us, but them always do it to me. All animals apparently, not apparently, have their own unique sounds, and we know exactly what dogs and cats say. Well, I don't know what they say. I know how they sound. But how about the language of those animals we don't see every day?
Really?
Our producers challenges us this morning to make animal sounds. The name of the animal will flash or will appear on the screen, and we are to imitate the sound. The sound when come up, and we just have a look at the animal and say what him sound like.
I hope a song called...
Someone say like a groundhog.
Kangaroo.
Hold on.
Kangaroo make a sound.
No, but
when kangaroo make a sound?
I don't know.
I have absolutely no idea.
Let us hear it, because I don't know how they sound. Are we going to hear it? They make a what?
We must try it.
What I don't know what I can...
Benji, tell him go.
What them do? That is so I just sound like a kangaroo. Well, I've never been close to a kangaroo.
Benji said that's like...
So I was right.
But that sound like an old car.
I don't know, Benji. I've never been seen. That sound like Coulson. That sound like Coulson. President.
But that sounds like a camel.
I've never been close to a kangaroo nor a camel, so I don't.
Coulson apparently has.
Next one.
What's the next? Monkey.
Yeah. They let the monkey.
Depends on which monkey they work. Orangutan or sounds orangutan.
Let me hear the monkey.
That sounds like a dog.
All right, so that is not Coulson. That is not Coulson. That is.
That sound like
who's
when
the sound man?
Zakia laugh.
Who's the sound man?
No, that sound like when Zakia laugh.
That sound like Mr. Spence.
Oh, Jesus.
So we hear a Coulson and we hear Mr. Spence. That monkey sound like him vexed or I'm hungry or...
There are different types of monkeys.
All right.
So you have to tell us what type of monkey. The monkey in the Appalachian. Elephant. Oh, elephant has like a... Oh. Yeah.
Go. Let me not do it.
No, I'm saying elephant says shizzle my nizzle. Shizzle my nizzle.
Hold on, is that reason I'm not hearing anybody?
Shizzle my nizzle.
Let me hear it now. I said.
Ooh,
I said already.
Never did it, man.
Hello. Let us see me with the sound.
Never did it.
I am an elephant. Same way with the sound.
An elephant chased us when we were in Zambia.
An elephant
chased us. Her baby died, so they had to remove the baby. But they say in her head, she thinks that humans kill the baby. So when she saw us, she
Only not hearing that story now. They just said an elephant
chased her
when she was in Zambia.
Because her baby died. And the humans removed. So we know the van and my friend, she a film the elephant, never.
That's the elephant around.
I come from Syria. I say, my girl, the elephant come. I said to the van man, said, drive. The elephant just look around.
You were what? And what you call it? Safari?
The elephant just look around, and just running, Marvin. And the man said, drive.
Anyway, hold on, I got the elephant right. Run an next animal because she want to say I know these things.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus sound like a big wolf. You never watch Wait Name? Tarzan.
Tarzan still about?
They have a new one, like he was in Legend of Tarzan when he's in the Congo and the hippo them was
one thing I know
is
it's not a handsome fella.
Oh, hey man, the jaw.
Or if it's a fella at all.
Strong jaws.
Wait a minute. No,
But that
so
sound like Mama Wally.
that sound like a pig.
See them?
That sound like a pig.
When they're in the water, like when they fill them up with water, they go.
Really, I'm sorry. It's not so you did sound.
See, they know also the last one.
No, don't get that. It's not so you did sound.
When their mouth full, man.
When they're mouth full, you never get that one. Run the next one.
This is a hungry hippopotamus, me tell you the one when his belly full. It's like the monkey sound like somebody chase him. Come on. What's the next one? See there?
That sound like he was going to the bathroom or whatever.
Wolf.
No, that's not a wolf, though. Don't do it. Don't do it. What the wolf sound now? Because you may watch the movie and you hear the people in my afraid because they hear the wolf outside. No, that's what them sound, man. That sound like where's chicken that?
No, the chicken? Chicken or something, chicken say
No, sir. I don't think it's so them. Did I right?
Yeah.
No, sir. Let me hear it, man.
Let me know watch. No, sir. Let me know watch Twilight, man, and the wolf them around them, the people them never come on, man. Come on, devil, man.
All right, you get
Watch
that.
Twilight and the wolf.
So the only one me get is the elephant. Come again.
All right, we hear the wolf them.
Well, the same
Not
thing.
far.
Well, the same thing.
The coyote not far.
No,
It's a similar
The
sound.
coyote, the wolf kind of has a and the yeah, you get
You
it.
know, you hear me say me get it. I say it's almost the same, so I get 2. Come again. Whew. You know, see me, me sound of
Coyote, high pitch.
I am a coyote. I'm a coyote.
So mongrel. Yeah, man.
The
You
wolf.
could have put mongrel, it would have the same sound.
The wolf sound like it's more of a tenor.
All right.
All right.
You know,
Something like
somewhere somebody is listening to Smile Jamaica and they just wake up the whole heap of dog them in the yard with them sound and that make. Oh my God. I hope them not listen to
When
one spot.
when
You
they-
can imagine you listen to one
What?
spot.
Giraffe make sound?
Yes. Giraffe.
I never know a giraffe.
Giraffe. Ooh.
Giraffe make sound?
Giraffe.
Giraffe sound like them a swallow.
Ooh.
Them sound like them swallowing. And they go,
Them have like a ooh.
Let me hear it. I have no idea. I don't know any one of them personally. No, sir. I know some many think them so. Oh, it sound like somebody had beat him.
But he'd have to up in a one tree for hear the giraffe.
It don't have no sense to it.
Yeah.
So you went on the safari?
I saw a giraffe too.
Yeah?
Yes. And
So what, you were just in a jeep and is in the woods you go? Where you go? You see them on the road, on the highway?
no, so we, no, we went to the safari. Jesus.
Oh, most
Tom and Jerry.
of them make no nice.
Most of one come. Only go squeak, squeak.
What?
We can't make it. They have a little squeak,
When I-
squeak, and then make like them. Eh?
When I do
Make a what?
he come out.
No, man. You have Tom and Jerry.
When I do the crossword
Jerry,
puzzle,
Jerry,
right? When I do
Jerry.
the crossword puzzle, it's something about like it I said the mouse sound.
Yeah.
But it's
Squeak. Or eek.
when you see it, everybody say, "Eek, a
Most
mouse."
of a little squeak. It's a little squeak. We can't go up there, so.
A mouse, huh?
Yeah. It's a little squeak.
So like one in my yard, come and feed me here. Me feed me here, that sound they come for time and night.
There's a bird that sounds like this,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
It look like I hear that sound every now and again.
Then have another one.
Cheetah. Oh, yo.
Oh, I don't know what the cheetah sounds like.
That cheetah and monkey no sound is,
No, it's a
Them no sound the
It's a
same way.
cat, it's a
I know, but they no
cat.
sound the same way.
It's like a between the lion and the... Yeah. Are the same kind of roar, but I think the cheetah one might be a little bit of a little pitch. Whereas the lion is a roar. The cheetah is kind of a roar.
You know,
like a midpoint.
That's all that.
No, sir, no
No,
cheetah,
sir.
that's a bird. Darling, any cheetah will sound so. Out of Disney, and I get that cheetah there. Cheetah?
That's a cheetah?
No, man.
No,
They put
bird.
the sound over the cheetah mouth. That's not how the cheetah sound. Get away from here. Any cheetah sound so not going to survive in the wild, darling. You can imagine one cheetah buck up in all one hyena and say, that must be crazy.
I think I heard or read that he's the fastest animal in the world. Nobody can run faster.
No, darling, and I saw the cheetah sound.
That sounds like a little baby chicken.
That's not the cheetah sound.
That is the fastest animal in the world.
I'm going to find the cheetah
Well, there you
sound.
go.
That's not the cheetah sound.
How exciting was that, though? I just feel we could continue to do that.
Animal sound all day.
No, man, that's amazing. That is so exciting. No, man.
It's a growl. Cheetah don't go like a mouse.
Put it to your mic. Put it to your mic.
Wait, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
You let me know you know nothing.
Where's that?
You're a cold sister. No, you know who let in colds in that place. All right, folks. Well, what a segue. After all that fun, 10 minutes to your health. So come, stay with us.
I'm telling them, if I don't hear a cheetah sound like that mouse,